Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about Indusil Bank. Now what to do with Indusil Bank? Now you can see that it is trading at 913.50 and it started to fall. Today it was traded 2.29% down, and before in March it was traded somewhere around 1109.19.50 range. That was 52-week high. And you can see here last 5 days chart. If you see, you can see that it was traded somewhere around 954 and it started to fall again. So I will tell you the reason why it is falling, and again it will move down only because there is no chances to recover this. And maybe around 950 range, maybe you will get it. Maybe next week, maybe you can exit at that level. Otherwise, if it is not recovering from if it is slip more than 900 level, then try to book the losses itself, because it will fall heavily. So I'll explain you, because now you can see here in if we go to the 6 months chart. If you see, the peak was at yeah, February 25 to, you can see, March first week. So you can see here. So this was an exit strategy of the bank. That means there was huge insider trading was happen, and for that they brought the share and they dumped the dump here at this level. So it is with the public right now, and the share will fall here. So let us go into the money control website. You can see here that you can see the ranges here. It was you can see this range, it was peak. You can see here, this range it was traded in peak. That means in February 25 to around March first week, it was traded at high. And let us go the insider trading. You can see here that you can see here in April, March, you can see how much sale was happened from insider, because see, there was a huge sale was happened. You can see here more than 10 crore shares they sold it. There these are only accounted. There are many things, many other sale was happened maybe. And also you can see that the current income statement which was generated recently, you can see here in March 2021, there is no major sale increase was not happened. So it is flat only, and you can see here the profit range also, it is almost same, because there is nothing major is going to be happen. So try to exit at this level. In my recommendation, try to exit at this level, because it seems a bit risky here in IndusInd Bank. So crossing 1000 range will be very difficult in coming months, and it will fall again. So try to enter at lower level, try to exit from here, and try to enter at lower level. As I told you many times, so always try to maintain the strategy of exiting the share at the right time. Otherwise we will lose the money in share market. So thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. And also I have mentioned many stocks. Yesterday I have posted around 40 stocks which are overpriced, and all these shares will fall again. And if anyone holding Adani shares, that means Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, or Adani Transmission, or any Adani shares are overpriced, and it's getting manipulated now, and anytime it will fall. Don't look at the current price level, and even if you are in profit, just try to book the profit and exit from the shares. So it will start to fall maybe in the coming days. So it will fall gradually. So don't look at the current price, and avoid on greedy on the greedy to make more profit. So it will give you more trouble. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.